Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Trading cryptocurrencies can be very lucrative, but it can also be risky due to the volatile nature of the market. In this guide, we will provide an easy-to-follow guide for beginners who want to get started with crypto trading. Before you can start trading cryptocurrencies, it is essential to understand what they are and how they work. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use encryption techniques to secure and verify transactions. Some popular cryptocurrencies to trade include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. To start trading cryptocurrencies, you will need to choose a trading platform, create an account, and verify your identity. Popular trading platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. You can fund your account with a variety of payment methods, such as bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and e-wallets. When you fund your crypto trading account, you need to consider the types of payment methods available, fees charged, and the amount of money you want to invest. You should also be careful to manage your funds and avoid investing more than you can afford to lose. To make your first trade, you will need to choose a cryptocurrency to trade, decide on the type of order you want to place, market order, limit order, or stop-loss order, and monitor your trade to see if it is profitable. There are different strategies you can use when trading cryptocurrencies, such as long-term versus short-term trading, technical analysis and charting, and risk management and diversification. It is essential to research and develop a trading plan that suits your needs and risk tolerance. Cryptocurrency trading can be risky, and there are many scams and frauds to avoid. To stay safe, you should be aware of common scams and how to avoid them, keep your trading account secure, and be aware of the legal and tax implications of trading cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, getting started with crypto trading can seem overwhelming at first, but with the right knowledge and preparation, it can be a profitable investment. Remember to research and develop a trading plan, manage your funds carefully, and stay safe while trading cryptocurrencies. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Scholar. We hope you found today's video informative and helpful in your journey to becoming a successful crypto trader. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on all things crypto. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment down below. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of crypto, so stay informed and stay ahead of the game. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.